Welcome to our channel. If you want to permanently delete your Uber Eats driver account, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly close your delivery account. Step 1. Before deleting your account, make sure to cash out all your earnings. Transfer any remaining balance to your bank account or debit card through the Uber driver app. Step 2. Resolve any outstanding issues such as incomplete deliveries, customer complaints, or policy violations. Uber may not process your deletion request if there are unresolved matters. Step 3. Cancel any scheduled deliveries or commitments you may have accepted for future dates. Step 4. Open the Uber driver app on your smartphone or visit the Uber website on your computer and log into your account. Step 5. Navigate to account settings. In the app, tap on your profile icon and select Account or Settings from the menu. Step 6. Scroll through the settings options. Note that Uber does not provide a simple delete account button in the app itself. Step 7. Go to the Help section in the Uber driver app. Search for Delete Account or Account Deletion in the Help Center. Step 8. Submit a request to Uber support asking to permanently delete your driver account. You can do this through the in-app chat, email support, or by filling out the account deletion form on the Uber website. Provide your account details including your name, email, and phone number. Uber will process your request and send you a confirmation email once your account has been permanently deleted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.